The Supreme Court of Ohio ruled when determining the time to refile a dismissed lawsuit under the Ohio Savings Statute, the deadline falls on the one-year anniversary date of the dismissal, not the following day. In a 5-2 decision, the Supreme Court reversed the 10th District Court of Appeals, finding it incorrectly allowed a plaintiff to extend the one-year refiling period by beginning the count on the day following the voluntary dismissal of his case. Writing for the court majority, Justice Megan E. Shanahan explained that the phrase within a year used in state law to extend deadlines in court cases means within a calendar year, ending on the one-year anniversary date of the dismissal. She explained that this interpretation is dictated by the plain meaning of the statute. By reading within 1 year in the revised code to mean a year plus a day, the Court of Appeals departed from the plain meaning of the statute enacted by the General Assembly, Justice Shanahan wrote.
It's our position there is no way you can reconcile the Court of Appeals ruling with the requirement that a lawsuit that is dismissed and then refiled under the savings statute needs to be refiled within 1 year. It's a matter of logic and reason, and 366 days is beyond 1 year.
In a dissenting opinion, Chief Justice Sharon L. Kennedy wrote that state law defines a year as 12 consecutive months, and it specifies that the time period ends on the same day of the concluding month from which the computation begins. The law also indicates that the computation begins the day after the triggering event. Souter's one-year period to refile his complaint started on the day after his case was voluntarily dismissed, and he made the deadline when he refiled his case on the same calendar day a year later, she concluded.
Calendar anniversary method that they're proposing also would result in some conflict between the statutes as they're written and this calendar anniversary method that they're proposing, because the court would in a sense be saying, well, we're going to ignore the statutes and the way that they're written and the way that the General Assembly set them forth in certain circumstances, but then in other circumstances, perhaps if we're counting 15 months, we'll use the statute in those, and that's not uniform.
The court reinstated the trial court's judgment dismissing Souter's lawsuit.